Hi guys, welcome back to the Home and Homestead. My name is Rebecca, and today on the Homestead we'll be doing a little winter warm-up, as well as some crock pot cooking, where together we will make some slow cooker hot cocoa. We'll just throw a few simple ingredients together and have the slow cooker working for us while we're off doing other things. And then later we'll have a warm, chocolatey hot cocoa waiting for us to enjoy while we relax and get cozy. So follow along and cook with me while we do this winter warm-up and crock pot cooking of slow cooker hot cocoa. Alright, so let's get this slow cooker hot cocoa going. So the slow cooker I'm using today is kind of a unique one. It's a 3 different sizes in one. So it has a 2, 4, and a 6 quart insert here, and I use it all the time. So for this recipe we'll use the 4 quart liner. So we'll put that in there and we'll plug it in. So into the 4 quart liner we will add 2 quarts of milk, or 8 cups. You can use whatever style milk you like, as well as whole milk, skim milk, or whatever combination you like. Next we'll add 1½ cups of heavy cream and 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Next we'll add 1 12-ounce package of chocolate chips. If you buy in bulk, it's about 1.5 cups. I had just a little bit more than that left over in my container, so I'll be just finishing those chocolate chips up. If you like a really sweet hot cocoa, use milk chocolate chips. If you don't like it as sweet, you can use semi-sweet chocolate chips. And finally, we'll add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So now I'll mix all these ingredients together. Put the lid on, and we'll cook it on low for 2 hours. So since I'm using the 4 quart liner here, I selected the 4 bowl size select button. Then we'll have some creamy and delicious hot cocoa ready to enjoy. Alright guys, it's been a few hours now, and every half hour or so I happen to be around and I just mixed the hot chocolate mixture in here just to make sure the chocolate chips were melting. So everything's nice and melted and combined, so now you can turn it down to keep warm or the warm setting and just enjoy it as you wish. I really like making this crock pot or slow cooker hot cocoa for gatherings, especially in the winter or a cool day or evening. Then your guests can come and fill up their hot chocolate mug as they need to. And it's really nice to make in the morning before you head out to do your winter activity. Maybe you're going out skiing or sledding or snowshoeing or something, or before you go outside to snow blow or shovel the driveway. You can get a batch of this going, and then by the time you come back you'll have a nice creamy and delicious hot cocoa ready for you to enjoy. So let's get this served up into a mug and we'll see how it tastes. Alright, so I have a little bit of the hot cocoa put into a mug here. It has a nice rich cocoa color, and it's nice and creamy and chocolatey. If you plan to have this for a family gathering or bring to a family gathering, I would recommend printing out multiple recipes because people will ask for it. I will provide a link below to my website where you can have a free printable of this recipe to help you out in that area. And then I like to put out mini marshmallows or some homemade marshmallows and maybe some homemade whipped cream or a can of your favorite whipped cream. You can also put out some flavored extracts or syrups. If you watch my video on how to make homemade espresso or coffee extract, you can put that out and people can make a mocha hot cocoa or perhaps a peppermint syrup, and they can make a peppermint hot cocoa. And if you're interested in making homemade syrups, perhaps peppermint, caramel, or vanilla, just let me know in the comments below and we can perhaps do some projects together for making some homemade flavored syrups. Well, I hope you enjoyed our time together in the kitchen in this winter warm-ups and crock pot cooking recipe where we made some slow cooker hot cocoa. This is a really cozy and creamy and delicious hot cocoa, And once you make it, you can just leave it in the crock pot or slow cooker, set it on warm, and people can keep coming back for refills as needed. If you're new to the channel, I sure would appreciate you subscribing. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. See you next time. Take care.